every cat here.
Shut up! I'm literally trying to get it on camera right now. Can you stop? Bro. Still got the dang loom band on my finger. Ella, you're on YouTube.
I've been working on the student account.
Private policy.
I'm not allowed. Mainly because it's past a bit.
You see a Minecraft player who has like a red jacket?